How to change username ID on RedNote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open RedNote app in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you want to go ahead and log into your RedNote account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. And once you are inside the profile section, simply select Edit Profile right over here. Now inside the Edit Profile section, you'll find ID. Go ahead and tap onto it. And from here, you can make the edits as you like. Also make sure that your ID is set to 16 to 15 characters long and only use English number and underscore. The ID is a unique identification of your account and it can only be changed once. So once you are done with the edit, you want to go ahead and tap on confirm. And once you do that, you'll then be able to change your username ID on RedNote app. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.